Hello, my name is Ajay Sharma. I am from TPC Global. I welcome you to my live page. Today I am here to talk about training and skill development. Friends, I would like to inform you how this conversation can really, bring value to all of us, and how, I can really kind of support you in making right decisions. So, I would like to help you in your decision making, wherein what kind of decisions and how, which all parameters decisions can be taken. So I began my career in 2004, immediately after my engineering. I did my schooling, from MTS, and luckily I could, secure second rank in district, and I was the topper of my city, and being good by the grace of God in academics throughout my life. I chose to be an engineer, So the moment I chose actually to become an engineer, I took an admission, in electronics and electrical field. So when I was in promotions, and that to the self-promotion is really very important. I'll take you towards industrial platforms. You see, a lot of companies worldwide, they are in search of, skilled people. And once you are creating skilled people in the market, that means you're adding value to the nation, you're adding value to the industry in providing them the right talent. If you see these days, companies, they always say we need people, we are in search of right talent pool. And for any organization, the challenge is to have the right talent pool. So as a trainer, if you are helping the company to build that talent pool, I'm sure, you can always achieve your own targets, your own goals in life very easily, because you are actually working on industrial platforms to serve them in their requirements. When it comes to psychology, we all are human, and somebody is liking something, somebody is not liking something. You are meeting with different set of people worldwide. No matter what field you are choosing, whether it is technology or non-technology, training is everywhere these days. You pick up a point and you become a trainer. You see, even I could see, in fact, you also have seen yoga trainers coming up in huge numbers. So here I would say, as a human, we all deal with human, and to make human happy, you should be able to read their minds, you should be able to read their body language, you should be able to read, their expectations. And that happens pretty well once you meet a lot of people worldwide. You have a good network, and having good network teaches you a lot, believe you me. And once you have basic knowledge of psychology, I'm sure it adds a lot of value to your career. The first one is speaking and convincing skills. So when it comes to speaking, one should know that one is a born speaker, right? And on the contrary, there are people with the march of time, they become good speakers. And I respect both of them, The days are gone when leaders are only the born leaders in that way. So when I talk about spoken skills and abilities, which you call communication, we should be able to speak. And when we say speaking with effect is always very, very important. And when I say speaking with effect is important, that means one should not be monotonous in his or her speech or speaking ability. If you love traveling, then this can be probably one of the best field for you. Why? Because you never know that your audiences are in Delhi, Dehradun, Mumbai, or Bangalore, Pune, Dubai, anywhere. So based on the requirement, you should be able to fly or travel anywhere. So if you love traveling, I would say this is the right choice for you. Competition is always good when it is healthy. And competition has always been very, very healthy in the market, and so is in my industry. When we began as a company, there was hardly a competitor. But slowly and gradually, I have personally seen more than 500 companies growing up in my area in training in different, platforms. And I have seen 90% of them getting shut down right after 2 years. See, competition is always good, but sometimes there are people, who play around and who do not believe in ethics and values, and they do anything to create dirt everywhere. So I would only, say that the challenge is not the competitors. Challenge is sometimes the elements behind the competition who try and play dirty games. We have to keep our calendar ready at least a week before. And when I say a week before, a calendar is ready, that means which part of the day, first half, second half, where I am, right? Whether I'm going to be in training or program management, project management, or meeting industry people, it has to be well planned, right? And how do I do it? I hope I have been able to give you a brief overview of my, training and skill development expertise. And I am fortunate to LifePage to give me this platform to connect with my all audiences. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening to me. Thank you.